Have you invested in one of these financial companies yourself? Yeah? Okay, cool. The last one is up, is called Fingo. And there he is. Give him a round of applause. He's carrying 3 mics. For the jury.
Hi to everyone. My name is Alexander. I'm a project manager of the service Fingo. Fingo is the augmented reality app for selection of furniture to your interior. Everybody faces a problem to choose the furniture to their apartment, home, or the office. As a result, the choosing of furniture became a long, difficult, and boring process. And Fingo is solving this problem. Cameraman, can you help me, please? How works Fingo? How works Fingo? Maybe on this side. All you need to do is launch Fingo on your mobile device, choose from the catalog the furniture model, like this, and see them in your real space of your interior. Like this. Oh, sorry, it's really light, it's lighter. Like this. You can see model from different angles. Look how it's realistic. You can change colors. You can take the photo of your interior and share it on to the social networks. You can do an order and find out more information. So no design projects, no damn planners. You immediately see how it looks in your interior. You immediately know where to buy it. It's really simple and convenient. So even your grandma can use it. Thank you a lot. Our 2 huge advantages on this market is using the breakthrough technologies of augmented reality, and we know we find a way how to develop 3D models really fast and quickly. Our models is really realistic, extremely realistic. Our customers is homeowners, designers of interior, sellers of the furniture. Our catalog have a lot of different brands. And our business model is really clear. This is CPA. We are getting the percent of the sales. Now we are working on MVP, and we are going to launch it on November. In the future, we are going to scale our business, and we are going to add new cool features, like you will able to working on your interior with your friends online. And we have a really great team which is based on the Krasnodar. This is the south of Russia, and this is developers, designers, and marketing managers. Right now, guys, you must download it from the App Store because it's available on the App Store. Fingo, try before you buy.
Okay. Including a demo in 4 minutes. That's good.
Yeah.
Jury.
Pretty cool. It's cool to see that. And I definitely can see the use case there. IKEA is doing something similar. I don't know if you've seen that, right? There's also, like, they use, as their market, they use the actual catalog, and you put it on there, and then you can rotate it. So my first question would be the technology behind that. Is that something that you guys have developed yourself? Or now I see that something, not exactly the same, but similar things popping up everywhere. Is there like a common open source, or is there a common technology stack that a lot of people are using, or are you developing this on your own? And if so, is it different to what other people are using, or pretty similar, comparable in the actual output?
Thank you for your question. IKEA do the similar model of their application of their app, and they use software like us, but we use for development of our application we use technologies like Unity and Qualcomm. This is open source technologies. And what I can say about IKEA, this is application just only for IKEA, and we are looking for the huge market without IKEA. They're all furniture companies, different brands in Europe and Russia, and we see the profit in that way.
Can it only be done with Unity? Because that always will require you to install a plugin or an app of some sort, right? It would never work browser-based or anything like that.
Pardon?
You're using Unity, you said, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Is there any way to do it without plugins at some sort, at some time? Just browser-based? We see it work.
It's not browser-based.
I know, but I'm asking, is it possible in the future maybe to do it without a plugin that people have to require, have to install?
Yeah, we are working in this way, but now on this phase of our project, we trying to go faster and using exactly Unity. But one of our way is of developing is creating our system, our cell system. By the way, we find, tell about it, we find the new way to create really fast and cheap 3D models, 3D content. This is really, this is our technologies, we can say.
To load the catalogs into the app, do you need a lot of work and cooperation on the side of the merchants, or can you go crawl and parse from their existing online catalogs all the items that you want placed in here, and then maybe go chase after affiliate deals once you're showing that you're able to deliver them some demand?
If I clearly understand your question, we are working with the real companies, and we are working both with the internet web catalogs, with partners, referral programs. So it doesn't mean it doesn't matter. It is sale in the internet or it is sale in the real life. We take clients in the real magazines, and we take clients to web catalogs.
To be more clear, who loads the furniture information?
Furniture information. Companies. We are getting the information of the models of the furniture from these companies, and we create these models because it's not just only creation of geometry and texture of models. It's really scene, it's blur, it's shadow of models, and it's real scale, full scale of this model. Our models must be really realistic.
Is it an automated process, or do you have to manually take a photograph of a chair and sort of make sure that it then is rendered into a 3D object within the platform?
Pardon?
Can your software just look at a picture and model a 3D model of that chair just by looking at a photograph, or does one of your employees have to?
Oh, of course, our employees do it. We have a great, really good team of 3D designers, and we have a manual, special we own our manual for creation of 3D models. Now this process is going with our employees, but we are looking to the future, and in next year we are starting work in the way of 3D sensors.
Last quick question, Dmitry.
We've seen a number of startups solving similar problem in Russia, like to name a few, Rumix, 5D Planner, a few more less glorious. Why did they fail? Nobody actually succeeded. Did you learn something from them?
Of course I learned. The huge advantage of our project is really, our app is really simple to use. The great user experience. You don't need to be a specialist to do plans and to take edges and do walls. You just click. You just do 2 clicks and see it in your real interiors, your walls, and that's it. And that's why we are looking for the future, and we are thinking that we are catch all these planners and catch all these designers who do design projects.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good man.
This is the markers. I'm bringing it for you.
Thank you. That was Fingo.